Hello everyone, I am Partha Pratim Karan and welcome to Product Management Consulting Platform. So how you guys are doing today? Hoping everybody is doing great. So today we are going to talk about what are product metrics and why those are so important. In today's agenda, we will be looking into top product metrics like customer lifetime value, customer acquisition cost, customer conversion rate, average revenue per user, churn rate, monthly recurring revenue, bounce rate, dwell time, net promoter score, and organic versus paid traffic. We will be looking into one by one in detail and we will try to understand those. What are product metrics? Product metrics mostly used to measure the performance of particular product or features. Why these are so important? Product metrics are quantifiable data points that a business or any organization can track or analyze to gauge their success for its product as well as multiple features. Here you can see the top product metrics are listed over here. We are looking into each one of them. Customer lifetime value, LTV or CLV. It's the estimated value generated by a customer over their entire lifetime before they churn or permanently drop off. Also, it is the amount of net profit that a company or any organization can generate from a customer over their entire lifetime. How you can calculate that? This is the multiplication of the average monthly profit from a customer with the average lifetime of any customer. You can see the correlation between monetization, virality, and retention, and how those are correlated with LTV. Here the formula how you can calculate the customer lifetime value. Customer acquisition cost, CAC. Almost every business needs to scale up their profitability, and a product manager needs to understand how to do that. There is a big cost involved with every business, while customer acquisition comes to the picture. CAC is the estimated cost of getting one new customer. Now we will be looking into that example. If you are investing or spending $1,000 for every campaign and you are getting 10 new customers, then for every new customer you are spending on an average $100. Understanding CAC is quite critical if you want to focus on the sustainability of your product or business for a long run. Here you can see how to calculate the CAC value. Customer conversion rate. It's a great metric to know how well you are doing to turn prospects into customer of your product. A small increase in your customer conversion rate can enhance or boost or increase your revenue significantly. It is the percentage of prospects who end up converting to a paid customer. It is measured by taking the number of new customers added a particular month and divided by the total number of leads added during that month. Average revenue per user. is the amount of money you are getting from a customer on an average every month. If your pricing remain constant and you are getting more average revenue per user by every month, it means what you and your team is doing to generate more value that working. Always better marketing along with great customer support can help in this regards. Churn rate is the percentage of customers who stop using your product every month. To get the churn rate, you have to divide the total number of customers lost in a month by the previous month's total customers. It is always a good indicator of every product's health and also very critical for monthly subscription based products. You can't or you never make the churn rate zero, as no matter how good or how brilliant your product is, some customers will still leave your platform or leave your product. What you can do from your side to keep the churn rate healthy or continuously strive to make the product better as much as you can from your side. Now, I'll be talking about monthly recurring revenue. It means the revenue your product gets from the customers every month. It includes both new MRR and add-on MRR. New MRR helps you to get an idea of the revenue generated through new customers every month, and add-on MRR means the revenue generated through add-ons such as additional product purchases. Add-on MRR is always a good indicator of whether your customer find your product helpful or not, and if they are willing to increase their engagement with your product by investing more in it. So MRR from every aspect, it's very important. Bounce rate. It's the percentage of visitors who land on a page but do nothing, just simply leave. Still, it's important to measure the performance of specific landing pages. Here you can see how the way you can calculate the bounce rate. Now we will see what is dwell time. Dwell time is the amount of time a user spends in a single session on an average. Dwell time can indicate how engaging your content or products are. Digging deeper into that metric can help you to find many more anomalies. Net Promoter Score (NPS). For your product to grow, your customers need to become promoters. NPS uses such question: how likely are you to recommend the product to someone or your friend, and ask the respondent to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Promoters are the one who rate it in the range of 9 to 10, and detractor who rate it in the range of 1 to 6. It is to be also noted that NPS is not a percentage but a whole number. NPS is a great indicator to know what your customers think about your product. Reviewing it monthly can help you to know what are you doing right or what you need to improve. A low NPS can be a great motivator to get more feedback from your customer about your product. You can see over here how from 0 to 6 category comes under detractor, 7 to 8 comes under passives, and 9 to 10 comes under promoters. Now we will be talking about organic versus paid traffic. Measuring traffic to your application or website from both organic and paid channels is very much necessary to understand how your product is growing. Always, it helps you to make better decisions about your marketing campaigns for the better product growth. Yes, we are just about to close today's session. Before that, let's have a quick recap. It definitely helped you guys. We are almost done for today. Please feel free to reach out with your queries, suggestions, whatever have in your mind. Don't hesitate to reach out. You can directly drop your queries or any kind of suggestion over the comment section. I'll be very much glad to answer all those.